my strength in the Lord. Yo, it's crazy. I really did used to pray before I would do hairstyles, like when I first started doing my hair, cause I was like, I need this to come out cute. Like, help. Today, we are going to be attempting to do a slick back pony. I've never in my life wore a slick back pony, and if I look oily and dirty and dusty, I just got off of work and I wanted to do this tonight so that way it could set overnight and stuff. But I've never ever in my long-legged life worn a slick back pony before. Got Wetline. This is really old. I got this a long time ago, so I did pick up a new one today just in case that one is not doing what I need it to do. And I got the edge booster over here just in case, because I am running low on my edge control, so I don't want to use it all up. So I got this just in case I need it, even though I don't really like that, but it is a little bit thicker than like regular gel. And I got this edge control right here. I picked this up today. I don't know, I don't think this is gonna be a good edge control as far as like laying my edges, but it has mint in it. It has rosemary mint in it, so I feel like it'll be good for my edges. I got a bunch of hair ties. I got clips, my brushes, and all of that stuff. I got a dimming brush and a little small like bristle brush, a bigger like hard bristle brush, and then like a little baby one. So because I feel like I'm gonna need everything in the world to help my hair do what I need it to do. Sis, don't be mad at me, right? I'm gonna be using this game changing ponytail. I was trying to get it for y'all, but my vendor did not have any. Like, this was the only one that my vendor had. But I have a showstopper for y'all. If you're interested, the showstopper ponytail, I have that for y'all. It is a tight curl as well. It's just not as tight as Game Changer, but it is tight, so you could kind of get virtually the same look. And I feel bad even using it in a video, but like the curl pattern is so lit, and like I want a half wig like this because I feel like this would blend so perfectly with my hair. So that's everything that I have. Now I'm going to probably continue to rest like in voiceover. Excuse me, go back in the pack please. Thank you. I'm probably going to continue to rest in voiceover because I kind of just want to speed through it, and I feel like me having to talk will slow me down, so I'm going to probably just do the rest in voiceover. Okay, so I already have my hair sectioned off in a couple of sections. I have like 2 at the back, and then the front half split in half, well, split down the middle. And so I'm just brushing out the back. I already washed and deep conditioned my hair and put leave-in and stuff like that. So I started with my little teeny tiny hair in the back because I didn't know if I was going to be able to get that into like one ponytail. I didn't know if it was long enough, but so I'm just adding literally a crap ton of gel, and then using a dimming brush to kind of like work it through, and then smoothing it out with the hard bristle brush. So that section back there needed a lot for it to even make it to the ponytail, because y'all know my undercut is growing out, not fast enough, but you know, just trying to do a little something. So it needed a lot of product. I mean, my whole head did, girl. But anyway, so I'm taking the scrunchie and then I'm going to put that section in a ponytail. And really and truly, the reason why I had all of them scrunchies was because I was like, I'm not about to keep taking the scrunchie out and then adding here. Like, I'm gonna just put a new one on top. So now, starting with this section, this lighting is better and I'm a little bit closer. So hopefully, you know, you can see everything that I'm doing. So brushing it out, adding the crap ton of gel. Now listen, girl, when I tell you I had so much gel in my hair, I had so much gel in my hair. But then I'm smoothing it over and I'm adding that comb, that clip to like hold it in place while I do the other side, so I won't have to, you know, do like 3 different scrunchies. So adding the gel, and then I smooth it with the dimming, well, you know, push the product in with the dimming brush and then smooth it with the bristle brush. And now I'm going to take the clip out and grab the hair and re-smooth it, and then put the scrunchie on like that, so I don't just have like too many scrunchies. But this is what it's looking like so far. I feel like because I have like all of the bows, it did look just a little bit bulky, but it's cool, whatever. So I did the other side off camera. My arms was tired, girl. And now I'm going to split this front section in half, and then do the same thing, basically brushing it back first to get it smooth, and then add in the gel so it'll like hold, and then, you know, brushing it in once again, and then smoothing it out. And I use the smaller bristle brush up front so it could be as slick as possible. And this is the last piece, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I don't even know why I keep on saying it, because it's self-explanatory at this point, right, y'all? Like, I don't know why I'm still talking. I'm just gonna go. And let me just say, I'm back, but let me just say this. I don't know why I make that face when I'm doing my hair. It's so ugly. I just don't know. But this is the final slickness, and the residue is like my leave-in conditioner, but that will subside. And then I'm just going to fix my edges and tie my hair down. And I used two different, well, technically the other one wasn't a real scarf. It was like my edge scarf, but I needed something at the back, but it was so hard for me to tie it. Anyways, so this is the ponytail that I'm using. Like I said, I'm using the Game Changer ponytail. I love, 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 love the curl pattern. It has the two combs and the drawstring. And it's, you know, I just literally stuck the comb in at the top and the bottom, pulled the drawstring tight, and then wrapped some hair around. Again, that is kind of self-explanatory as well. So I'm going to just let you watch, and I'll be back. Okay, so let me just tell you a couple of things. I had the worst sleep of my life last night, okay? Trying to make sure that I kept my scarf on, trying to make sure that it was tight enough. Like, oh my gosh, it was the worst sleep. And this is why I don't like to style my hair, because I feel like I don't sleep as good when I just got, like, you know, my regular twist that I wear up under my wigs, opposed to like, or I could sleep good with like faux out. Well, no, I can't, because they be kind of like in the way. Like, anyway, my hair is still wet back here, so I don't even want to really keep touching it. But I didn't know that my hair could get this slick. I just didn't know. Like, I didn't know. Sis, do not be mad at me. I'm sorry that I used the Game Changer ponytail and I did not have any more for you. Like, I'm sorry. That's like somebody just ordering their dinner when you go to dinner before you, and then they sit and they eat and they steak and you ain't even get a chance to order your food yet. Like, I'm sorry. It's so rude of me. But I will leave Showstopper link down below if you are interested in like just a long curly drawstring pony for this look, if you want to try it. But yeah, drop that in the comments and tell me what you think. Okay, like, I think it came out really cute. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's cute for now. You know what I'm saying? It'll do. So yeah, drop that in the comments and tell me what you think, and also give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, and if you are new and you are not subscribed, please take the time to do so now. And even if you ain't new and you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Please and thank you. Like, what's up? What you waiting for? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.